Welcome back friends. Today we are going to discuss about the paper 1 general paper on teaching and research aptitude in AP Set 2021 exam solutions. Here they given the first question, which of the following sentences are true with respect to method of teaching. So the correct answer is here 1, 2, 3. These three statements are the methods of teaching. The first one is lecture method is the best method among all when the number of students are large. And the second option, student is kept in the place of an original investigator in heuristic method. Project method begins with the sensing of the problem. These three are related to the methods of teaching. So the correct answer is 3. 1, 2, 3. Option A. According to the Burton, teaching is the stimulation, guidance, direction, and encouragement of learning. Based on the above definition, which of the following correct four terms and select the correct code. Here they given two sets, set 1 and set 2. In set 1, stimulation, guidance, direction, and set 2, which is related for the terms in set 1. So we have to identify is here. In that set 1, stimulation is the motivation to learn new things, guidance to develop student capabilities, skills, and attributes. So option A is right answer. Direction is to reach the determined goals, and encouragement it is the achieve high maximum learning. Next question, which of the following skills are required for good teacher to discharge his duties effectively? So here they given four options. Knowledge of student needs, mastery over the content, knowledge of technology, use of ICT in teaching and learning process. Knowledge of students needs is right, and mastery over the content and the use of ICT in teaching and learning. So the C is right answer. 1 to 4 options is correct answer. Which of the following indicate the intra-individual differences? Ravi likes reading but not writing the notes. That is the intra-individual difference. Which of the following sentences are true with regards level of teaching? First one, reflective level teaching is problem centered. The main objective of reflective level teaching is creative thinking and original thinking. Main focus of the memory level teaching is mastery of the concept. Memory level teaching is thoughtful and embraces committing factual material to memory. Understanding level of teaching establishes relationship between principles and solitary facts. Understanding level of teaching was propounded by Morrison, but memory level teaching by Biggie. So the correct answer is here 1 to 5. Those are related to the level of teaching. And the first one, reflective level teaching is problem centered, and the main objective of reflective level teaching is problem centered. And fifth one is understanding level of teaching relationship between the principle and solitary facts. The type of research that lay the foundation of the formulation of different hypotheses of research problem is known as exploratory research. Which one of the following first step in a research process, that is formulating research problem? uh, when planning to do is a social research, is better to approach the topic with an open mind. Which of the following is an indication of the quality of research general? So the correct answer is impact factor. Next question, which of the following sampling method is based on probability? That is stratified sampling. Next question, 11 to 15. Here they given one paragraph. We have to find out the solutions for this one. And which of the following state, the 11th question, which of the following statements are true with regards to pied cuckoos? So in this paragraph the related options are first one and third. Pied cuckoo's arrival is an indication of an set of monsoon in India. They have long coattails. Next question, according to the author, what approaches us like airborne army bring cool breezes, that is grey clouds. In this paragraph they given roots plunge into water and absorb water and the nutrient from the softened earth into, that is grasshoppers. And who does not like the bugs, caterpillars, etc., enjoying by eating green plants according to this passage, that is agriculturist. Which of the following statements are true? Baby birds enjoying rainy season since they get good insect food, and it is easy for the tigers to get prey in rainy season than in summer. The wind messenger bring the message that rain coming soon. Fourth one, pied cuckoos singing as if they are taking part in a group song, making Bollywood jealous. Baby deers don't constitute a big meal to tigers. So the first option is related to true. Baby birds enjoy rainy season since they get good insect food. Next, the winged messengers bring the message that rain is coming soon, and baby deers don't constitute a big meal to tigers. Next question, identify the correct sequence in the process of communication, that is communicator, message, medium, receiver, and effect. Which of the following are the limitations of writing communications? That is, it is not cost effective and it is not possible to clarify doubts, and it consumes the time for encoding the information, and there won't be immediate feedback. So the correct answer is 3. Option C is correct answer. Match the following set 1 and set 2. So here the set 1, physical barriers, use psychological. A related to 5, psychological barriers, that is to develop prejudice among children. So first one is fifth one and second one is fourth, so B is right answer. Background barriers means it is not linking with the content with the previous knowledge, and language barrier means use of unclear symbols and graphics. Next question, non-verbal communication is mostly used which of the following? That is stimulus variation. Next question, in a circular communication the encoder becomes a decoder when there is it is a feedback. In certain examination the number of students who pass, if there had been 35 fewer students and 9 more had failed, the ratio of passed and failed student would have been 2:1. The number of students appeared for the examination is, so here they given in examination 4 times than the number of those who failed. So if there had been 35 fewer students and 9 more had also failed, the ratio is 2:1. So first we will calculate, first we will take number of failed students. Number of failed student is x and passed student is 4x. So total is, here they given 4 times, so that's why we taken it as a 4x. Total is x plus 4x, that is 5x. Then after that they given 35 fewer students 35 fewer students and 9 more failed. So here we will taken it as a total 5x minus 35 and number of students 9 more failed, so it is x plus 9. So 5x minus 35 into x plus 9. So here the number of total students we will express this one, so it will get 5x minus 35 is equals to x plus 9. 5x minus 4x means that is 4x, and 35 minus 9 it is 44 by x plus 9, and this ratio they given 2 by 9. After calculation of this, so we will get the result 155. So the correct option is 155. A person sold a table at a gain of 15%. Had he bought it for 25% less and sold it for rupees 60 less, he would have made a profit of 32%. Then the cost price of the table is. So here percent. So it is less means it is 75%. 15% gain means it is 115%. So we will calculate this as 32 into 75 by 100. It is 24, and 24 plus 75 it will get 99. Then actual price and assumed price we have to count. This is the actual price and this is the assumed. So 115 minus 99, that is 16 rupees. So 16 different actual CP is 100. 16 different actual is 100. For 1 it is 100 by 16. For the given here 60, so 100 by 16 into 60, it is 375. After calculations we will get 375. Next question, a train leaves Kazipeta at 6 am and reaches Vijayawada at 10 am. Another train leaves Vijayawada at 8 am and reaches Kazipeta at 11:30 am. The time at which these two trains cross each other, the correct answer is 8:56 am. How it can be happen means the distance between Kazipeta and Vijayawada is x and the average speed is x by 4 kilometers per hour. Average speed of trains from Kazipeta to Vijayawada, it is 2x by 7. So after calculations of these, x by 4 into y plus 2x by 7 into y minus 2 equals to x. After calculations of these, we will get y is equals to 2h 56 minutes. So the starting time 6 am. So we will add for this 2 hours 56 minutes. 8:56 am is right answer. Next question, in certain code optional is written as ITPOLANO. How is practice is written? So optional, it is written as ITPOLANO. So practice, so it can be written as Here TI, they written IT. So 1, 2, 3, 4, they written 4, 3. So here also CA, we have taken it as a CA. After that OP, they written it as a RP. So CARP means the correct option is C. Next question, the number that fills the place of question mark, which are the following? This is the number series. The correct answer is 2714,985. Next question, the purpose of higher education is to promote critical and creative thinking abilities among students. Reason that these abilities ensure job opportunities. Both options are true, but it is not a correct explanation of A. And next question, architect, building, those are the relation, and the sculpture, it is related to the statue. 432 it is related to the the number of male players who play cricket and tennis together, and the total number of female players tennis and cricket together. So here the percentage of cricket tennis together, it is 32%, and here cricket and tennis, that is 19%. So we have to calculate here percentage. So that is 32 into 4000. Then we have to calculate percentage is here 90% of 1600. So after calculating this, we will get the 61%. What is the total number of male players who play football, tennis, badminton together? So here we have to calculate the total number of male players. So we will first calculate the tennis, badminton, football players in male. So that is the tennis, badminton, football. Female tennis is 11%, badminton is 24%, football is 17%. 17 plus 11, 28, 28 plus 24, 52% of 1600. And here that overall percentage, badminton is 13%, tennis is 14%, that is 27%. This is 47% of 4000. So here we have to minus 52% of 1600, that is 832, and 47% of 400, that is 1880. After subtracting 1880 with 832, 1880 minus 832, we'll get the answer 1048. So the option is C is correct answer. Next, the given one bar graph is here. So the first question, what is the ratio of total expenditure on infrastructure and transport to the total expenditure on taxes and interest on loans? So here we have to calculate the total expenditure, infrastructure and transport. So here that is infrastructure is 20%, transport it is 12.5. Then total expenditure of the transport infrastructure, the total expenditure, taxes and interest. Taxes is 10 and interest on loans it is 17.5. So 20 plus 12.5, then 10 plus 17.5, this is 32.5 is to 27.5. So we'll get the answer 13:11. So the first one is right answer. Next question, if the expenditure on advertisement rupees 2.10 crores, then the difference between the expenditure on transport and taxes in lakhs on rupees. So here advertisements, that is 15, here it is 15 advertisements. So 15 by transport is 12.5 and taxes is 10 is equals to 2.10 crores. We have to calculate. After calculations we'll get the 15 by 2.5 into 2.10 by x. X is equals to 35 lakh rupees. So the correct answer is D. In internal communication with institution is done through LAN. Servers provide resources to other computers when connected to the network. The file extension of MS Word documentation is Office 2007. That is extension we are using .doc. FOX Pro is an computer language. WWW stand for World Wide Web. Here natural resources in SEA Bangkok, it is in 1965. UNO Conference on Human Environment, it is in 1972. European Working Conference on Environmental Conservation Education, it is in 1971 Switzerland. Workshop on Environmental Education at university level, it is 1971 France. So the correct answer is B. Next question, indoor air pollution is a serious health hazard. Reason, the dispersal of air pollutants is rather limited in indoor environment. So the correct option is A. Both A and are true. R is the correct explanation of A. Next question, for the protection of fauna, our government has developed various natural parks and sanctuaries in India. Which of the following sentences are correct? The correct sentences are Rajnatambur Sanctuary is situated in Rajasthan and Dachingam National Park is established in Jammu and Kashmir. Ghana Bird Sanctuary is situated in Bharatpur. So the correct option is 3, B option. Which of the following gases are responsible break down ozone in the upper atmosphere by initiating chain reaction? That is chlorine. Population control measures taken by people do not necessarily help in controlling environmental degradation. The relationship between population growth and environment degradation is rather complex. Population control measures taken by people do not necessarily help in controlling environmental degradation, and the reason is the relationship between population growth and environmental degradation is rather complex. Both A and are true, but it is not a correct explanation of A. Here they given two sets, we have to find out the match the following. So the IISc, it is established in which place, in which institution is correct code for this one. IISc, it is for the Bangalore. ISI, it is Calcutta. First IIT, that is in Kharagpur. First IIM, that is Ahmedabad. So the correct option is A. Which of the following is the incident related with air pollutions? That is Chernobyl incident and trail episode, Musi Valley and Bhopal tragedy, dug down incident. So the correct answer is B. According to UGC Act 1956, which of the following institutions are empowered to confer the degree to students. That is a deemed university, a university established by the parliament, and the university institution established by an act of legislator. So the option is A is correct answer. Which of the following are the objectives of RUSA? The objectives of RUSA is to ensure adequate number of faculty in the institution of higher learning, to impose over quality of state universities, to create new institutions through upgrading existing autonomous college. So the option B is right answer. Which of the following statements are true with respect to the learning programs in India? So here they given some learning programs. We have to select which is correct answer is here. Swayam is a non-conventional learning program in higher education in India. Temple, churches, viharas are centers of learning, comes under the Oriental learning programs offered institution in ancient India. Present schools, colleges are the institutions offering conventional learning programs. Oriental institutions are devoted to Indological studies. So the four options are right here. So option D is right.